So let's start with this missing course or unknown course problem from chart 50547. At 2100 hours, the vessel's position was 3 miles north of Horseshoe Rock Buoy, and it was experienced a current of northwesterly as and she was steaming the different courses as follows from 2100 to 2120. The course is still unknown. That's what we have to find out. And from 2120 and 2150, the course was 070. Then from 2150 to 2205, the course was 340 degrees true. And at the end of all this steaming, the Scar Weather light vessel was bearing 100 degrees true at 10 miles. They have to find the unknown course steered from 21 to 2120 and the rate of the current. Engine speed is given 12 knots. So what we do, we have this Horseshoe Rock and we have this Scar Weather light. We plot whatever we know. So Scar Weather was 100 degrees 2 into 10 that we get this position A. And we have Horseshoe Rock, which was 000, 3 miles northerly. So this is the first position of the vessel. From here, the vessel steered 070 into 6. So we get the second position. Then from here, the vessel steered 340 into 3, third position. Now, from here, the vessel was initial course, we don't know. There was some course. And after this, the rate or the current took the vessel in this direction, northwesterly. So this is northwesterly direction. We don't know how much rate. Now, we don't know the last course, but we know the timing 2100, 2120, that is 20 minutes. So as per 12 miles, the ship will go 4 miles, 12 knots. So from A, we will cut an arc of 4 knots wherever it cuts. So this will be our course to steer, and we measure this distance to get the rate. So let's see the procedure. As initial course is not given, we plot everything what we know. That is the way of solving the missing course problem with the speed given as per the time interval. So from this figure, from point A, we cut off 4 miles at the end to get the current and ship position. This is the initial course. Now, if we are asked to find the estimated position at 2120, then we will plot the transfer initial course at point 2 and cut off engine speed and draw the set in current. So let's see how do we do this. So we are on this chart 5047 where we have this horseshoe rocks, and we have on top this Scar Weather light vessel. So we have given that horseshoe was due north 3 miles. So this is our position, and we will draw all the unknowns from here. So we have plotted whatever things were known. The initial position northwesterly 3, and from here the vessel went 070 for 6 miles, and then from here she altered 340 for 3 miles, and for current was northwesterly throughout. So at the end the vessel was bearing 100 10 miles from this Scar Weather light vessel. So we have this final position and we have the initial position, and the current was setting through, and in between there was one more leg of course which we don't know, but we know the time 2100 to 2120, that is 20 minutes. So 4 miles arc we will cut here, and then we joined this, we plotted this northwesterly set, and we had this position. So vessel, we don't know this course, but we know the time. So from here we plotted an arc of 4 miles and we measured this course. This is our 330 degrees true, that is our 4 miles course. Now to measure the rate, we will measure this distance. So this distance is 2.8 miles. So our rate is 2.8 8 for 1 hours 5 minutes. So as per that we will take out for 1 hour. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and if you still have any doubt, please put in the comments, or if you want to like to have videos or any other topics, please let us know. Thank you. So actually what happened is that vessel went. So actually what happened is from this position the vessel went 330 from here, and then 070 and 340, and all this while the current set was northwesterly, which took the vessel like this, and vessel reached on this position. So if you are asked actual positions of 2020 or 2050, uh, this is also not actual positions. We get the rate, and if we are asked actual 2020 position, we plot this 330 course for 4 miles, and then we plot for 20 minutes the current, and that we will get the uh, vessel position. From here we will plot the current for 20 minutes, and we will get the vessel's position. And same way, if we want 2050 position, then we will have to plot the current for 30 minutes from here. So this way we'll get the vessel's position or course code, whatever we want.